After years of designing, manufacturing, and outfitting, we are proud to announce the opening of our Smart Pod operating rooms in the Gambia on October 23, 2024. These innovative mobile operating rooms are the first of their kind in the region, specifically designed to provide life-saving C-sections and essential maternal health services to women across Africa. We extend our deepest gratitude to our partners at the Trini O.C. Mendenhall Foundation, Horizons Trust Gambia, Kanifing General Hospital, the Gambian Ministry of Health, and Xploration Health for their invaluable support in bringing this initiative to fruition. Together, we are committed to advancing global health equity and ensuring that all women have access to safe and quality healthcare. Follow us for updates as we celebrate the opening ceremonies in the Gambia.